Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today's dish is going to be delicious Dhaba style tandoori chicken. I'm sure you all love it as much as I do. This dish has gained popularity not only in India but even other countries, and it gets its name from tandoor, which is a clay oven in which it is baked. Of course, at home we cannot have these clay ovens, so we bake it in the normal oven. But by using a good tandoori masala and following some tips and tricks, we can get those rustic flavors in this chicken. So the main thing is the masala. That has to be good. The tandoori masala powder I always make at home, because the ready-made ones don't have that kind of flavor. At home we can add the right proportion, right ingredients, right quantity, and get that good flavorful masala. So I'll share the link in the description box. You can check it out, and nothing like homemade masala. So let us go and prepare this tandoori dhaba style chicken with the homemade masala following some tips and tricks. Dhaba style tandoori chicken. It's made with homemade tandoori masala powder with fresh flavors. Check it out. The link is shared in the description box. Such a delicious chicken, who can ever say no? This desi chicken is very popular all over the world. Now let's proceed to make it. Here I have taken 2 chicken pieces, leg and thigh pieces, and mustard oil, which goes well with the marination. Tandoori masala powder, which is homemade. Check out the link in the description box. Smoked paprika. This does the trick, gives it smoky flavors. If you are not using Dungar method, this is the trick, you can use this. And rock salt, which is also very important. Here we have some roasted gram powder, ginger garlic, and some lemon juice. You can also use hung curd instead. Clean the chicken pieces very well. Make gashes with a knife on both the sides. This helps to penetrate the marinade into the chicken and cook it easily. Choose a tender chicken. Leg and thigh pieces taste very good. You can also do the same with boneless chicken, and we call it chicken tikka. Or you can even go for a tender small chicken and do the whole thing, Tandoori Murgh. Now the gashes are done. Let's gather all the ingredients for the marinade. Take a large platter and put the ginger garlic, 1 tablespoon of tandoori masala. Check out the link in the description box, how to make the masala at home. Here goes the smoked paprika, roasted gram powder, and rock salt. Always use rock salt in tandoori dishes. 3/4 teaspoon, because there is little added in the masala as well. We can always taste and add more if required. Mustard oil, 2 tablespoons. And little bit of Kashmiri chilli powder, about 1/2 teaspoon. If you want it spicy, you can add the normal chilli powder. And some lemon juice, about juice of 1 lemon. It's about 1 tablespoon. Now mix everything together very nicely. In Dhaba also they do this in a platter, so I'm following Dhaba style. Now this mixture, rub it well into the chicken pieces. You can see I've used a substantial quantity of the marinade, which is very necessary for this to give good flavors. So marination is done. Now we are going to refrigerate it, set it aside for few hours at least. You can even do it overnight. The more you marinate, the better chicken tastes. Now line a baking tray with a foil paper. Pour some oil and brush it. Place the chicken pieces on it. Now pour the entire marinade over the pieces. Now this is ready to go into the preheated oven. Bake at 200 degrees C for 45 to 50 minutes or until done. So mine took 45 minutes. What I do is I bake one side 15 minutes, the other side 15 minutes, then close the foil paper and bake 15 minutes more. It looks perfect. Even the look is like Dhaba style chicken. It's nicely done, soft and nice. Now let's dish it out. Here is some onion kachumber. It goes well with the chicken. And some pickled green chilies for the extra zing. Some lemon wedges in case you want extra tanginess. And here is the most awaited tandoori chicken. You can enjoy it as a snack or even make a complete meal with accompaniment of naan and tadka dal. Let's do the tasting. Looks nice. Wow, it's so soft and very well done. And of course, with all the masala flavors, it tastes yummy too. So do give it a try, friends. And have you subscribed to the channel? If not, please do so. And click on the bell icon to get notifications. Here are some videos from the archives. In case you have missed them, you can watch them now. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.